Okay, as I promised, I was going to show you how VirtualBox works and where to get it and how to use it with your older games. Okay, so here I have a copy of Mech Commander. It's a 1998 kind of real-time strategy based in the BattleTech Mech universe, Mech Warrior universe. Now, I am currently running Windows 10 on this machine, and if I go to put it in the drive, which I've got, you'll see on, yeah, it's coming up kind of blurry. It'll pop up here in a minute, and it'll try to open up the thing, and it'll say, okay, now we're ready to install. And say, okay, and you can see it says, install Mech Commander. I click on that. And right now, oh, there it goes. And what it's saying, it says, the program that you're using is not compatible because it's a 16-bit version of a game and it's incompatible with a 64-bit version of an operating system. Okay, which essentially says, sorry, you can't play this old game on here. It is just too old. So what I did is I downloaded and installed VirtualBox. And if you just go to Google and type in VirtualBox, now there's going to be one more thing that you're going to have to get before you can actually get it to run a game, and this is why it was taking me so long. So go to virtualbox.org right here, and it'll take you here, and you're going to download the one here that says under downloads, and you're going to download the one that says window host, and the current version is 5.26. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have to install it, and you're going to have to open it up, and when you open it up, you'll get something that looks like this. Okay, and you're going to go up to here, new, and you're going to create basically a new computer. And then this is where you will need to, once you put that in there, you have a boot from the CD. You'll put your Windows XP disk in there, and it should install Windows XP. Okay. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Start, and then it pops open a window, and it's now going to open up a Windows VirtualBox of Windows XP. And you can see it's going to load up Windows XP just like normal. And I've already got it installed and everything. Okay. And here's the old familiar Windows XP. Now, things work a little bit different in VirtualBox because you have to load images and things like that. So you can't just stick CDs in and out and stuff like that. So we're going to go up to the devices here, and we're going to go to optical drives, and I'm going to pick optical drive F. Make sure that's picked. Okay. And it should grab CD and say, oh, there it is. It wants me to do it. I've installed the game already on this. And now you can see I can run this game. I'm going to skip the intro here. If I can. I hit the escape key, that got me. Now I'm back in here and I can start a new campaign, and we'll just go ahead and start
They were able to activate the planet's orbital guns and caught the dropship north before she landed. We've lost all contact.
Command interface initiating incoming transmission.
Davian guards. Our first.
So I'll put the mechs in there like they want me to. And there you go. And we're playing the game. Okay, now what I'm going to do is Alt F4 out of that and just get back out of that. Now there is one more thing that you'll need to do. Once you've got your Windows XP installed, you're going to need to boot it up in Virtual Machine like you would, and then normally you're going to, like you remember, you'd go to F8 and get into safe mode and do safe mode with networking, because what you need to do is then you're going to need to go to, let's see if I bookmarked it. Yep, I did. You're going to need to go to download, right here, download VirtualBox.org VirtualBox, and you're going to scroll down to the version of VirtualBox you have. In this case, it is 526. Now, this is really important. You're going to need to get this one here. It says Virtual Gas Editions. That's going to actually get you the hardware accelerator to make you think that it can run 3D accelerated games. Now, it's not enough for all 3D accelerated games. You might still have problems with some, but this should work with most. You're going to save it into a desktop on your computer in safe mode. Okay, make sure you got your networking with safe mode on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to download another program and just Google search that or whatever, and it's called Zip7. And that Zip7 is a free program, and it's going to let you look inside that ISO. Once you've got inside that ISO, what you're going to find is you're going to find the extensions for the x86, and you're going to run that. And that's going to put this little icon down here in the corner, this little box, and that's going to give you your hardware acceleration so that you can play your games. Okay? Now, there's a few things, if you got questions about configuring the VirtualBox to get like your network and your sound and your video working properly, go ahead and give me a call. But basically, as you can see, I'm running Windows XP inside of Windows 10, and that means I can play all the games that I could use, well, most of the games, I shouldn't say all. I can play most of the games that are on, that are old, that won't run on Windows 10. So, there you go.